Hello guys, how are you? I'm Abdullah Imran. Today my topic name is NFS. NFS Network File System is a protocol for sharing files across a network. Here are some key aspects of NFS. Definition: NFS is a stand for sharing files, directories and file system over a network developed by Sun Microsystem, now owned by Oracle. Features: allow multiple clients to across share file and directions simultaneously, supports file locking and access control, enables file system mounting and unmounting. Number 3, variants: NFSv2 old, deprecated; NFS3 common, widely supported; NFS4 latest with increased security and future. How it is work: claimants Linux mocks contact to an NFS server, Linux NAS. The server export the system of directories. The clients can be access and manipulate share file and directions. Number 5, security: NFS use authentication and access control mechanisms, Unix permissions. Sports encryptions Sports encryptions, keyboards, SSL, TLS. Number 6, common use: file sharing, Linux networks, data sharing between virtual mechanisms, centralized file storage for distributed system. Number 1, NFS performance optimization: changing mechanisms, silent side caching, server side caching, read, chat, head or write behind techniques. TCP/IP turning for NFS, NFS security conditions, authentications mechanisms, Unix authentications, keyboards, access control, lets, ASLS and permission. Encryption method: SSL, TLC, PSEC, NFS and high availability, NFS clustering and load balancing, NFS flavor and redundancy. High availability: NFS architecture, NFS and cloud environments, NFS port and cloud storage service, Avaz Azure. NFS based cloud file sharing solution, challenges and consideration for NFS in cloud environment. Number 5, NFS and virtualization. NFS supports in the virtualized environments, VMware, Hyper-V. NFS configuration and optimization for virtual mechanism. Virtualize NFS architecture: NFS troubleshooting common issues or contextually problem, permissions errors, troubleshooting tools, NFS best particle for resolving NFS related problems. Number 1, NFS4 future delegations and callbacks, season and connection, session and connection management, compound operation and a manner varying. NFS and PNES parallel NFS. PNES achievement and components. PNSF benefits and the use cases. Benefits as a keyboards, authentication and insertions, NFS keyboards configuration and troubleshooting. Number 4, NFS and identify management, NFS and LDAP integrations, NFS and Active Directory integrations, identify management for NFS. Number 5, NFS advocating and complaints, NFS advocating and logging, NFS complaints with regulations, HIPAA, PCID, Number 6 in FS, emerging trends,